bain-marie is used to cook food at a gentle heat. The simplest version is a roasting tin, half filled with hot water. Or you can buy double boiler pans, especially for the task. It uses a gentle heat that is perfect for cooking delicate dishes such as custards and sauces, to prevent them curdling or splitting. According to the recipe, put individual ramekins or a larger heat-proof dish into a high-sided roasting tray, to be cooked on the hob or in the oven. Fill the roasting tray with boiling water. Pour in enough to reach halfway up the sides of the ramekins or dish. Do this at the oven or hob, as it's safer than carrying a tray of boiling water. Cook in the oven or on the hob, according to the recipe. Another common bain-marie is used when melting chocolate. Set a heat-proof bowl over a pan of barely simmering water. Add the chocolate and allow the heat from the water to gently melt it. It's important that the water isn't touching the base of the bowl, as this may overheat the chocolate and make it seize.